Alright, so I know in the last recording we was talking about free websites from MCA, but also you're gonna want a personal branded website, basically branding yourself. People want to join people. They're gonna want to join MCA also, but they rather join you because you are real and they see that you are motivated and successful in your business. So here's my personal branding website that I have made myself. See, I like how I have it over here in the middle. I did all of this. This is what my personal branding website look like for now. You could come here and update it anytime. But if you don't have the membership like I do, you're gonna have to keep what's on your website. It countdown timers and everything. I gotta change this. But yes, I make personal branding websites. And they only are $25 flat fee. That's it. Nothing more. $25. If you don't want to make it, I will make you your own personal branding website. So once again, if you want me to make your personal branding website, inbox me and I'll let you know the directions on how to do that, or it might be beside this video on the training.